Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to Fairy Meadows as well. So we've got some absolutely gorgeous weather today. The weather forecast for this weekend is absolutely amazing. It's a proper spring forecast. We've got a bit of sun, bit of cloud, and it's very still and slightly warm as well. So Mrs. S is away at a fitness convention, so I'm hopefully going to make the most and get out with the camera a few times this weekend to kind of make up for all the rubbish weather we've already had at the start of 2026. So, right, we've come down Fairy Meadows then, and I'm here for one specific reason, and that's to focus on ducks, and even more specifically than that, I really want to get some good shots of crested grebes and potentially tufted ducks as well. Now, as you can understand with this weather, Fairy Meadows is a little bit on the busy side already this morning, and I have managed to make the most of a few opportunities that crested grebes have actually presented me already. I've got some photos, I've got some B-roll. Yeah, it's already proven to be a really, really good day so far. Now, obviously, if the opportunity arises to capture any more birds, then I'm not going to miss out on that. But we are really trying to focus on ducks, crested grebes and tufties in particular. So yeah, happy days. Right, well, I'm going to stop gabbering on to you guys for now. I'll stick up the first load of pictures, the first load of B-roll, and yeah, let's go see what else we can see today. Okay, so we made it round to sort of the start of the back of Gunway Lake. Hopefully it'll be a bit quiet around here, not so peoply. Now, the reason I've actually parked up here is because I was just watching a crested grebe with his actual crest out. It was on his own, and I managed to get a few pictures just before he dived down, but the problem I've got with being around the back of Gunway is the sun is just at that kind of angle, so it's really, really backlit. So I might have to push the exposure up quite a lot in Lightroom. Nothing else really of massive note at the moment. I had an opportunity to get a really nice picture of a blue tit, and I think a black-headed gull as well. Now with the black-headed gull, because the problem with this light is I'm getting a lot of haze, and the black-headed gull was obviously causing the exposure to ramp right up. Grebe's popped up back over there, but he's a bit further away now. So I actually had to dial in 2 stops of exposure compensation, and it's done that really nice effect where all the environment around the gull was really dark, almost black, and then you've got that with some really harsh sort of shadows down one side and a beautiful reflection in the water. Looks really, really nice, kind of more of a low-key shot as opposed to a high-key shot, which I'm probably going to have to do with the grebes that I was literally just taking pictures of. So yes, so far it's actually been a really nice morning. I say this weather is just so pleasant. It's just beautiful to be out. 2 weekends running then, yeah. Looks like spring's finally making its way here, and hopefully this will mean that I can really utilise the weather and get out with the camera a lot more. Happy days, just, yeah. After the rubbish weather, for the start of 2026, I'm really hoping that from now on, we're just gonna have a real good string of good weather so I can get regular videos out, and maybe to make up with the missing ones previously, might throw in some bonus ones as well. So yeah, if you don't already, then drop a subscribe. Cheeky little plug there. Yeah, to just see what we come up. I've got some brilliant plans for 2026 already, and fingers crossed they come off. So I'm probably going to move on from here now. I just thought I'd come back and actually chat with you guys quickly, let you know how it's going so far, and yeah, hopefully we'll see some more cool sights while we're out today. Okay, a little opportunity for a bit of a walk and talk. So yeah, not really had many more opportunities around the back of Gunway. I was really surprised. I thought there'd actually be more grebes and stuff around here, but the majority of the birds that are on this part of the lake are swans, geese, coots, a couple of mallards. But yeah, no grebes, and definitely no tufties. But the tufties I think will come later on, round at the smaller lake, where I have seen widgeons, gadwalls, tufties, shovelers. What's the other one? Poshards. Yeah, I saw all those around this little small lake. It's more like a pond than a lake when you compare it to something like Gunway. But yeah, I think they'll come later. I did get a really nice picture of a swan though, backlit, and it had its wings in that beautiful arc. There was about 4 or 5. What I was really hoping for is to get one taking off or landing. That's kind of what I wanted from the swans, but did just get one on the move. So I'll stick that up now and any other pictures that I have captured since the last time. And yeah, that sounds like the turns are about as well. Oh, I love a turn. So yeah, let's go see if we can find anything else today. So apologies about the weird angle, light's right behind me. Yeah, so I've just moved away from the lakes at the moment, and just thought I'd come down to the river just for a mooch. And there was a swan preening on the water. And one thing I want to do is get a bit of B-roll where they obviously rise up and they flap their wings when they've been preening and stuff. So I'm recording that. And just as I stopped filming, didn't get it by the way, it just carried on preening. Yeah, just when I finished filming that, there's a lady stood behind me I was chatting to a minute ago, and she goes, "Oh, were you filming the kingfisher?" I was like, "What?" She's like, "Yeah, while you were down there," she goes, "kingfisher just flew across the top of the water. I thought you were filming that." Are you serious? So I'm just having a quick wander down here. I'm not going to go too far. I'm just following the river to see if I can actually spot the kingfisher. I don't hold up much hope, but it is a glorious day, so you know, coming for a walk down here in this weather, it's never a bad thing. Is that it there? I can see something sat on a branch. I'm not sure it is, it's probably just my eyes deceiving me. Odd noise coming from over there as well. Right, I'm going to go check this out, so stick with us just in case. Nah, Lady Luck's not shining on me. I'm not going to walk all the way down the river because that's not the intention of today's video. The main focus, I say the primary focus, was ducks, and a kingfisher is not a duck. But yeah, it's annoying that I missed it, but the lady said it literally just flew, and that's how she saw it. So I probably wouldn't have seen it even if I was actually paying attention rather than filming the swan. There's quite a lot of bird noise down here, and I had merlin out a minute ago, and we had robins, chiff-chaffs, wagtails, wrens, rooks. So quite a variety of birds. I've heard the mallards constantly, but yeah, just looking to see if I can actually get a decent shot of a tufty today. So I'm heading back towards the lakes now anyway, because that's, I say, what I've come out for. I want to see if I can get a decent shot of a tufty. So yeah, I only came round this way just for a quick mooch and just to see what it was about. But yeah, I'll halt my quest for a kingfisher for the moment. So yeah, stick with us then. Let's go see what other duckies we can find. Okay, so no luck at all with the tufties today. Even went round to the small lake and it's just, it was all gulls, to be totally honest with you. A couple of mallards, a couple of coots, but nothing that I was looking for today. So I decided not to bother taking any more photos and just decided to just call it. It's getting busier and busier down here. I'd say I'm not surprised with the weather. Absolutely beautiful. The break that we've had from this deluge of rain we've had where we are, and just to be fair, it's just nice to actually get some sun. Still day, as I say, it's very much spring now, and I'm hoping it should continue. So yeah, tufties, no luck. But I tell you what, I had some great showings with the Crested Grebes. And I believe, managed to get a few other really nice shots as well, especially of robins. So also finished up with some pictures of some bunnies. Do love me a little fluffy bunny, and got some really nice B-roll of it as well. Or as it looks on the back of the camera, might be a different story when I get it onto the computer. But yeah, all in all, it's actually been a really successful trip out. As I say, especially when it comes to those Crested Grebes. So I'm going to sign out now because I'm almost back at the car then. Obviously, if you like the video, give us the old thumbs up. And if you don't already, as I said before, drop us a subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Stay up to date with our weekly videos. And now that I can actually get out with the camera, now the weather's decent, we'll probably throw in some cheeky bonus ones as well. And all that's left for me to say then is this is my count. Take care and be safe, everyone. Peace.